Carrier Infinity code 178. Power outage and now no AC on all 3 of my units.
Do you know the model of your Carrier AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
No comms inside unit air filter replaced 1 month ago on all 3 units.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Just got home. Big storm. Appears to have created power surges. Thermostat says error code 178.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Where to check 24V?
Hello, sometimes the system just need a reset in a certain order. Turn furnace power off, turn AC power off, turn AC power on, turn furnace power on. See if that clears the communication fault and let me know. Disregard phone call offers as those are computer generated and not available right now.
Still system fault, indoor communication fault 178.
Thank you. Do you have the means to see if the outdoor AC units have proper 220V? The other option is the circuit board in the outdoor units could have been compromised.
Thank you. I've checked and the 220 volts is good on all 3 units. All 3 units are giving the fault code. I'm beginning to think a power surge.
You are likely correct, as the code generally means the outdoor unit was affected by a power issue. This most commonly results in replacement of the outdoor circuit board.
My old standby unit. Non-infinity. Has the 3 AM fuse on the furnace board blown? No 24V? Replaced it and the fuse blew again.
This can be damage to the 24 wire that runs outside from furnace to AC. Or also bad circuit board or contactor caused by power-related spike or brownout.
Thank you.
You are very welcome, and I apologize for the bad news. To close question, just rate service with a 5-star system at top of page or reply with satisfied. Thank you, Billy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.